all doing well. And now, my respected teacher and my lovely junior and my colleagues all are doing really well. I think so. They are really good and they passing their time with me are really enjoyable. And now is our farewell day. And this is the end of our English spoken course. And I'm just feel very enjoyed class because every class was very nice and our teacher was made the class very well. And we wasn't feel the same every class because all other class was different to other and we can get knowledge, different type of knowledge from the every class. And at first of all, I want to say thanks to my honorable teacher who is the leader of the English school. He is Sojib sir, and he is really doing hard work to make us a speaker. And I have to share you some of my feelings. As whenever I came, I was a speaker well, but nowadays when I follow the rules and regulations, what my teacher was giving me, and I followed every time the rules of my teachers. That's the reason I can say a little bit speak, and I make a sentence now. But whenever I came first, I couldn't make a perfect sentence, and I couldn't speak in front of the human being. But day by day, I feel increasing by myself. And nowadays is our farewell day and the end of our class. But we are really miss everyone because we were really fun in our class and we were spending our time very enjoying. And I'm really happy to come here and I do this course because our teachers, they are very hardworking and they are very sympathiful, and they make us really future golden future. And so what I just want to say thanks at first of all my Allah who is blessing me, and I am here and I'm able to say something before you. And next I must say thanks my parents who is encouraged me to take admission here and doing the every working. And I'm really happy to join these courses, and now we have completed our English spoken course. Now next time we'll get our IELTS course. After that we'll get our strong future. But nowadays I'm happy because of we have successfully completed our course, and I'm say thanks to my friends, my course mates who were spend their time with me, and sometimes they shared their feelings with me, and also I was share my feelings with them, and they were very helped me, and I say them applies to me because of if I make any type of mistake with them, and if I have any get any heard of them, please, they must have applied me. And nowadays, I must share some feeling share with you. And my honorable teacher, Mr. Sojib sir, who is the author of English School, he always said the perfect practice makes a man perfect. So I think we try to make ourselves practice by perfectly, and now we can speak quite good now. And every moment I feel very valuable for me, and really I keep in my heart. And thank you everybody who I come here and they spend time with me, and they share some of the feelings with us. And I must say them, wish you all the best. Thank you, all of you. Thanks.